Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Solana video update. Now this is on the daily time frame, and we're looking for Solana to make 3 black crows right now at the moment, and another one, a little bit of a false green candle to the upside. But I do see Solana in trouble right now because you have lost this particular support right there, and it's time that I could be looking to say that Solana wants to drop down and down and down and down. So today's Sunday. After that 3 black crows, it's going to actually remain a little bit green. From tomorrow, I do expect it to go down, and the technical target's going to be from there to there, and we are talking about this one to come down to $25.25, and that's going to be a price drop from there to there, 25.2. Yeah, you're looking for a 13% drop to the downside. Now I'm expecting Bitcoin to come down to take 17,600. I'm expecting Solana to actually come down like this. But one thing I always look at on the weekly time frame is the following: that there are possibilities of looking at Solana coming down to $4.64. I'm expecting something like this to happen. Now, number one, you do have this bear flag that actually takes you to $8, and number two, you have this left shoulder, the head here, and you do have that right shoulder right over there, and that's where you broke out. You're coming in to retest the neckline, and you're failing the neckline, and you could be looking at Solana in the future to come down to 4.5, which is your last swing high, and find support there before it doesn't move back up again. So let's see if it can go up like this. It can also come down like that. Okay, people are still not expecting it to drop to $29. It did, so I could expect it to even come down there on a weekly. It's of course going to take a lot of time, but I think that would be an amazing grab discount. If it ever comes down there, that would be really amazing for me. And that's pretty much it for this update on Solana. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.